Hello, my name is Shabana Azmi, and I am the president of an NGO, Mijma Welfare Society, that works for the empowerment of rural India with a focus on the girl child and women. We do this through education, through employment generation, and skill development. During COVID 19, Mijma Welfare Society has been very active in providing immediate relief measures and also developing long term programs that I'd like to share with all of you. The work that we have done in the 100 days of the pandemic are as follows. This is the data. The people reached is 1,12,500. Grains distributed in terms of kilograms is 1,35,000. We have distributed 45,000 three-layered masks, which have been made by our girls and our people at the sewing center. We have also distributed sanitary towels, 1,200, and soaps, 7,500. This has been possible because of a very dedicated team led by our dynamic CEO, Vinod Pandey, and I am thankful to all of them for doing this work, often at risk of themselves. What we have done is reached out to 55 villages and states such as UP, Bihar, Rajasthan, Delhi, and Maharashtra. We have worked with 22 village panchayats, also with the local bodies and the National Disaster Relief Force. We've been able to do this seamlessly because we've held hands with all these organizations. But above all, this has only been possible because you, our supporters and friends, have come forward once again to realize the gravity of the situation and also have faith in Mijma Welfare Society as an organization that keeps the promises that it makes and even does more. So, thank you very much. This has been a learning experience because people have gone through what is really hell. We have never seen a tragedy of such proportions. I mean, we weren't born when the partition of India took place, but the sights of these migrant workers walking back home barefoot with their children and wives by their sides is really deeply, deeply disturbing. Of the work that we have done, I think the most important is the Rozgar Dhaba, because this is an information center, a hub where for the returning migrants and also for the people in the villages, you get all kinds of information that you need. Where jobs are available, what the expected salaries can be, how an Aadhaar card should be made, how a ration card should be made, how a voter's card should be made, how various forms that need to be filled to access government policies should be filled. We've seen very often that people never are able to access the policies that have been made for them because they don't know how to get this information. Information is empowerment. And I really think Mijma Welfare Society, by creating these Rozgar Dhabas, which are now going to move out into various villages, is a very important step in the right direction. So, friends, supporters, organizations, NGOs that have come forward to hold our hands once again, I am very proud to share that all our financial details are available totally transparently on our website and you can access them. We do hope that this will strengthen your belief in us, and I believe somewhere this team has been able to do everything so selflessly because the founder of Mijma Welfare Society, my father Kafi Azmi, had a sher which became his dictum, which is प्यार का जश्न नई तरह मनाना होगा, प्यार का जश्न नई तरह मनाना होगा, गम किसी दिल में सही, गम को मिटाना होगा। थैंक यू।